Juliet, I'm not sure I can do this. Just being ahead.
But there's a lot of cool things about being ahead. First of all, I can put you in a bag and sneak you into movies for free!
All right, that hardly makes up for...
Carpal tunnel syndrome? You're immune. And it's totally cool! I'm like the only girl with a decapitated head for a boyfriend.
I don't want to be a fashion accessory, Juliet. This is my life. Is that rain?
Uh-oh.
Lots of tasty treats for you here, eh, you meal?
I'm guessing a giant floating Viking ship is not a good thing.
Another dark purveyor. Oh my gosh. That's my big sister, Cordelia.
Who?
My big sister, Cordelia. She's a zombie hunter, too.
Really?
Hey! Cordelia! Can you hear me? Hey! What's up, Juliet?
Hey, Cordelia! What's up?
See you in a few! Right now, I'm gonna go kick some zombie ass! Oh yeah! I almost forgot! Happy birthday! Can't hear you!
God, I'm happy I don't have a bladder. Otherwise I'd be pissing myself right now.
Butt fuck!
It's a party! Sweet!
Touchdown!
Where to now?
Most importantly, I want to find my birthday present my sister dropped. Secondly, I want to save my sister's life.
Well, you have your priorities straight.
I know! Yay! Let's get to the roof of the school and find that floaty boat. Explosions are such a cliche.
Felt that in my spinal stab.
Hey!
Aw man, our quarterback's a zombie!
Kill him anyway.
Bobby and Cadillac can do it! Yeah, I play short! There's Major League!
Hey, look, it's the World Series of Lame.
I hate it when everyone turns into zombies, but it's also kind of fun because I get to do stuff like jump on a fire truck.
It is fun! It makes me forget that most of my friends are dead! Be careful, Juliet. This place is falling apart. No!
You're gonna be fine, ma'am.
Whoa, it's like backdraft with rabies.
Hold on, victim dude. I'm coming to help.
I need a girlfriend.
What's your favorite color, Nick?
Blue? No, green.
Awesome. I love learning about you.
I fucked up. It's yellow.
Charge down! I'm gonna fist my ass with your head!
All these small fires are dangerous, but kind of atmospheric and romantic. Don't you think, Nick?
Yeah, but I think we need to stay focused.
I know. Wasn't like I was gonna make out with you or something.
I didn't know what you meant.
Do you want to have babies someday, Nick?
I think that's rather irrelevant, considering my situation.
I don't know. We could take a skin sample and put it in a petri dish and use magic to grow a baby.
Well, maybe.
Cool! There's a 50% chance it will be a cannibal.
I'll show you battle blast!
Excellent.
Cool! Let's pop you on this. One. Awesome, Nick. You're the best.
Let me take care of this, Juliet. I'll just raise my fist and ah!
Nice.
I use magic. So how long have you been a zombie hunter?
Forever. I killed my first zombie at 6 months old with a sharpened rattle.
We're here to help you! You're gonna be fine! I saved a cat from a tree.
Yum! Ready? Go! Yay! Perfect! Your goal! That's the parachute from Cordelia's present! Shopping just makes me feel better about myself. Time for Chainsaw Dash again!
Drive carefully, okay?
It's a party! Yeah! Pop it!
Juliet, you have to be careful.
I'll show you another trick Sensei taught me, Nick. It's called the big... Hold on!
Hold on with what?
Zombie basketball. Time your killing of zombies. How many points can you rack up?
You're hogging my glory.
It seems like a one-sided game.
Cool, I'm great at basketball. Let's put the round thing in the goalpost, Nick.
That's a basket.
Fantastic! 3 points.
Where'd all those rainbow thingies when you cut a zombie in half come from?
From Awesome.
Nice shot! Nice shot! 3 points. 3 points. 1 minute left. Fantastic! Wow, what a turnaround. The zombies are getting slaughtered. Incredible game, Juliet. Can't wait to see you in action again.
Another big jump. Hold on with your teeth, Nick.
Okay,
Ow, you bit my butt.
sorry. Running zombies? Fucking stupid.
Yeah, what kind of idiot would come up with that?
Where are my beautiful grandchildren? I'm dying and really fat.
What the dick is going on with all this crazy stuff?
What the dick?
It's my new phrase I invented. Do you like it?
Die, zombie scum! Ready? Okay. Undead, we all sucking, we are great. DD, decapitate. UGLY, wake up, it's time to die.
Oh no! My squad has joined the zombies!
God, Agnes used to be so hot. Now she has an intestine coming out of her vagina. We better get out of here.
Okay, that was sad killing my friends, but also so fun!
Girls in Kenya have big butts.
Oh my god! Easter egg!
I need another tampon.
Hi! Yeah! Sweet! And I'm awesome!
Juliet, it's Cordelia. Just a tip, sis, but you're moving around too much as you hunt zombies. From a distance, use your homing attack. When they get close, rush in for the kill. It's kind of common hunter knowledge, but you know.
Nick, it would be really cool if I could implant an MP3 player in your forehead. A boyfriend and an iPod all in one. More room in my purse.
You realize that's completely degrading, right? Oh well.
One.
Oh, feels great to have legs again, even if they are really slow.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What you say, Nick kills. What you say, Nick slays. Oh my God, Nick, that was so hot. Big jump! Woohoo!
Ah, I hate this! They're right that lightning doesn't strike twice. It strikes like 18 times.
More firefighters to the rescue. We'll rescue everyone!
I feel like singing It's Raining Men.
That would be funny, Nick. Time to kill these efforts.
Take my scary song out of my head. Oh, what a terrible way to die.
All right. Yay, my present! What do you think it is, Nick?
Well, I hope it's a torso and legs and stuff. Not a dick.
I see the ship.
Nice jump. Oh, I can't wait for you to shoot the fuck out of stuff with this.
Cordelia is like the best big sister ever. Chainsaw Blaster!
Zombie baseball. Aim and shoot at the approaching zombies. Can you score a winning home run? The game starts with the home team losing by an overwhelming amount of runs.
Awesome. Rad!
Ah! You shot him instead of throwing a ball at him. That's hilarious. Sweet shot.
Neat.
Bottom of the ninth, Juliet Starling at bat.
Looks like they want to play ball. Rad! Awesome.
Here I go. Woo!
You're not getting in the way of my Nick.
Yes.
I'll Ted Williams your face!
Rad! Awesome.
That's a home run!
Awesome!
This rocks!
What does mean?
Yay!
Yeah.
Your goal. It's a party!
Loving it!
Cool!
Yes!
Yay!
Oh, man!
Sweet! All right!
Doing it!
Pop it! Awesome!
Yeah!
Rad!
It's a home run!
Yes! Yeah, 1 point!
I should have been team captain! Okay!
Man, oh man!
Your goal!
Yes!
Looking good!
Oh my god!
Cool! Neat! Wow!
Perfect!
Sweet! Woohoo!
Fuck yeah!
Cool!
Yeah! Yes!
Rad!
Yes! Victory! Looks like zombie baseball has its own Babe Ruth, and she's a real babe.
I should do this all day, but I think we better move on.
Yeah, I guess we should find my sister.
I think the ship went over to the school's unrealistically gigantic swimming pool.
Totally. Let's go.
Juliet, Mom, can you believe Cordelia wants to buy a motorcycle? Oh, there's no way. Those things are death traps. Bad enough your dad has one, and the same goes for you.
Cordelia!
What? Juliet! There's something on you.
No, Cordelia! That's just my boyfriend, Nick.
Oh, hey, Cordelia. How's it going?
Hey, he's cute.
Thanks.
Ouch.
The whole no body thing is cool. I wouldn't have to worry about gaining weight. Food would just fall out of my neck.
OMG! Then I wouldn't be as gross and fat as I am now.
I don't want chewed food falling out of my neck. That's disgusting.
Bye-bye, Screening! Onward to further victory!
Juliet, execute maneuver 54V. Right. 1, 2, 3! Good luck, sis! And you too, cute head boyfriend whose name I forget. If it isn't the Pirates of the Jerkopian!
You've got a lot of gall setting foot on my ship, Stelpa.
Getting a little seasick.
All right, boys. Ymir, let's cut this bit into bite-sized chunks. I'm gonna use her face to make a hat! And use her spine as a back scratcher! Let's show her the Viking way! Ha 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 ha! We are Vikings, short and stout. We like to drink and fuck, fuck, fuck. Yoo-hoo! Take this! Ha ha ha! Ha ha! Yo! Take this! Ha 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 ha! Ha ha ha! Yoo-hoo! Take this! Ha ha ha! Yo! Yeah! Yoo-hoo! Take this!
What the fuck's with the pet bear?
Oh, you got a lot of gall, little girl. Don't tell me that's it. Die! Yoo-hoo! Take that! Die! Die!
He's like a worm? There's two of them?
What's this then?
I feel the power of the gods in his blood!
Kill that head!
Yes, it's time! Finish him!
Viking brains are good for the complexion.
This bites my non-existent balls.